If you're about to buy Hostinger, don't pay full price until you check this deal. Right now, Hostinger is offering up to 85% off on selected hosting plans. And when you use the special link in the description, you can also unlock an extra 20% discount automatically applied at checkout when eligible. So, before you enter your payment details, make sure you click the link below. You don't need to search for coupon codes. You don't need to copy and paste anything. And you don't need to test different promotional codes. Just click the first link in the description or scan the QR code on your screen, choose your hosting plan, and continue to checkout. The extra discount is connected to the special link and is automatically applied when eligible. Now, here's something important. When you first open the Hostinger pricing page, you'll see the standard promotional prices. You may not see the extra 20% discount there. Don't worry. Continue through checkout because that's where the additional discount is applied when eligible. Before paying, always check the final total so you can see exactly how much you're saving. If the pricing is displayed in another currency, click the flag icon at the top of the page, select your country, and Hostinger will update the prices to your local currency. Now let's choose the right plan. If you're starting your first website, creating a blog, building a portfolio, or launching a small business website, take a look at the premium plan. For most beginners, it provides a strong balance between price and features. Depending on the current offer, premium can include a free domain on eligible plans, SSL, professional email, one-click WordPress installation, Hostinger website builder, and AI-powered website tools. That means you can get many of the essential tools needed to launch your website in one place. If you're planning to build an online store, manage multiple websites, or expect your project to grow, consider the business plan. It provides additional resources and can include daily backups and a free CDN. Daily backups are useful because your website is regularly saved. If an update causes a problem or you accidentally delete something important, a recent backup can make recovery much easier. The CDN can also help improve website delivery for visitors in different parts of the world. If you're building a larger website or expecting higher traffic, the Cloud Startup Plan is another option. It's designed for projects that need additional resources and higher performance, and may include features such as priority support and a dedicated IP address. So, choose based on your actual needs. Premium is a great starting point for regular websites. Business is better suited for e-commerce and growing projects. And Cloud Startup is designed for websites that need additional performance. Another reason Hostinger is popular is its custom H-panel. Instead of dealing with a complicated hosting dashboard, you can manage your websites, domains, email accounts, WordPress installation, backups, and security settings from one place. You don't need advanced technical knowledge to manage the basics. Hostinger also provides AI-powered tools that can speed up the website creation process. The AI website builder can help generate a starting website based on your project details, and you can customize the pages, text, images, and design afterward. Now let's talk about long-term value. If you know you're going to keep your website online for several years, compare the available billing periods. When a 48-month plan is available, it can offer a lower effective monthly price than shorter plans. But always check the total amount due today and the renewal price shown at checkout. And if you're still unsure about trying Hostinger, there's a 30-day money-back guarantee, subject to Hostinger's refund terms.